Implant economics, understanding price differences in Europe and Turkey. Dental implants are now the most popular treatment for missing teeth. It provides people with a durable as well as natural-looking replacement. The cost for dental implants can be a bit different according to where you live around the globe. In this clip, we'll look at the differences in price between the dental implant in Europe as well as Turkey, and then discuss the elements that affect these differences. Europe is well known for high-quality dental treatment. This is reflected in the costs of implants. Countries like Germany, France, and the UK, where the price of an individual dental implant may be anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000. The price is due to a range of aspects, which include the usage of high-end dental implants, modern technology, highly skilled specialists. Furthermore, the cost for running a dental practice in Europe, like rental, utility bills, and salary for staff, are greater than those in other nations. In contrast, Turkey has emerged as one of the most sought-after destinations in dental tourism thanks to its low prices and top-of-the-line care. A single implant for a dental procedure in Turkey is as low as €500 or €1,000. This makes it an affordable option to patients who require dental implants. The cost advantage is due to the cheaper price of living and the labor in Turkey, in addition to incentives provided by the government to encourage medical tourism. It is vital to understand that the cost for a dental implant within Europe or Turkey isn't necessarily an indicator of its high quality. Both countries have experienced and seasoned dental specialists using high-quality material and conform to internationally accepted standards. But the less expensive cost that dental implants can bring in Turkey is an appealing option for those who want to reduce costs but not having to sacrifice high quality. Apart from the price of the dental implant, the patient should take into consideration additional factors that may affect the cost of the procedure. They should consider the need to undergo additional procedures, for instance, bone grafting or sinus lifting. Both might be needed to guarantee that the implant is successful. The type of implant that is used, for example traditional implants or all-on-4, could also influence the cost of the procedure. When looking at the cost of dental implants across Europe and Turkey, the patient should be aware of the degree of follow-up care and the support offered by their dental practice. These include regular checks along with maintenance, as well as the need for any adjustments or repairs. It is recommended to choose a dentist with a comprehensive aftercare program for the long-term longevity of the dental implants they have. In the end, the cost differs between dental implants between Europe as well as Turkey are due to various reasons, like the price of living, the labor cost, material, technology, and even though Europe could have more expensive prices on dental implants, Turkey is a better economical option without sacrificing high quality. Patients need to carefully investigate and review different clinics for the most suitable option to meet their budget as well as demands. If they are aware of the costs associated with the dental implant, they will be able to make a well-informed decision to have the smile they desire.